look how you open it. You go up and out. Can you do that? Oh, you did it. Get your backpack from Mom.
There you go, honey. Backpack.
Grab your backpack. Let's unzip it.
Thank you.
What do you have in here? You got everything for Mrs. Fairy, right? Okay, hang on to your snack. Okay. And we're going to take your change of clothes. Uh-huh. Okay, let's hang it up. There we go. Hi, Mrs. Leonardi. How are you? Did you have a good summer? This is Ivan. This is Mrs. Leonardi.
It's nice to meet you. Can you give me a high five?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a good one.
Thank you.
You're going to have so much fun in this place.
We do have fun. We do. Can you shut your locker for me? We're going to go see if the rest of the kids are coming. Okay, let's go in the classroom.
Thank you, Mrs. Fairy.
You're welcome. Come on, Pumpkin.
Gotta go.
You gotta put your snack away.
You'll be okay.
You're gonna have fun. Do we leave them or? Okay, great.
Here, Ivan, let's put your snack away. Over here.
Oh, this is.
Over here, Pumpkin. Put your lunchbox in here. See, that says Ivan too. I know, it's hard. This way. Now push. Push. There you go. You did it. You did it. And now you have blocks. Look, we got our floor already scraped up.
This is nice.
From this morning. Oh, we got kids.
Kids.
Hi, kids.
Friends.
Hi, Gregory. Hi, Camden. Hi, I missed you. I know, you gotta be careful. Mrs. Fairy didn't bring the bag back.
He's gonna make friends. Oh, blocks.
Come on, let's go find your locker.
Ooh. Ivan, stay in here. Stay in here, please. Okay, stay with Mama and over here.